I'm not saying you should change how you speak to your audience in as much as you want to sound like yourself. However, if you can use the language that your audience use when they speak to you and reflect that back to them, it shows a level of understanding on your part, and it's great for putting into copy, sales pages, emails, and you mix it in with the way that you naturally speak, and it shows your audience that you really understand them. So this is how I find those little nuggets from my audience to use. Go through your social media posts, replies to emails, comments on your blog, reviews, anywhere where your audience have commented on something you have said. You are simply going to copy and paste those into a document. It can be a table, it can be just a simple Word document, you could do it on a Notion page, however you like. And you're going to keep collecting that data. If you have a VA, this is a great job to outsource to them. At Sheldon, we have a VA, and this is one of her tasks that we do, not just for me, but also for clients. And we do this regularly with clients to keep the database up to date so that we can review it. Once you have that database of comments and replies from your audience, you're going to export that and run it through AI. You then need to ask it questions. Ask for speech patterns, commonalities, themes of pain points, colloquial language. Ask it questions which will help you extract patterns that you can then use in your own language, on your sales pages, in your copy. And you can keep doing this as time goes on. You just add to your database, and then every so often you redo the analysis. It's also a great way to identify frequently asked questions and things that your audience keep repeating, and helps you then create content about those topics and addressing those frequently asked questions. And that's how we do it at Sheldon. That's how we get the comments and our viewpoints from our audience and turn it into something tangible that we can use.